Today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps and requirements you guys need to successfully make money online making Fortnite maps like this game you guys are seeing on screen here that has amassed 49,000 players and has made a grand total of $155,000 in just the month of February. So today this video is going to be completely raw and unedited, but essentially I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps and requirements you guys need to get rich online making Fortnite maps. Of course guys, join the Discord in the link in the description. Let's get right into it. If you don't know, I just launched a brand new program called the Fort Mafia Inner Circle, where you can get connected to 6 to 7 figure Fortnite map creators, network with influencers and celebrities, master UEFN and verse coding, pre-made, ready to post templates, and more, which is in the link in the description. Okay, so if you guys are looking at my screen, essentially I am inside my new 1v1 map, which you guys can literally get in the Patreon in the link in the description. But I want to talk to you guys about how these games are becoming popular, because this game has thousands and thousands of players right now, and I want to show you guys exactly how. You guys can go load up the games yourselves, look at the map code right there. Essentially, what I want to show you guys is what actually makes these games actually popular. What are the core mechanics of a Fortnite map and the theme of it that actually make games popular? You know, we head down here and we glide down and we have a lot of fun. You know, people can build fight each other, they can kill each other, have some fun, all that sporadic stuff. But if we take a step back a bit, what are we actually doing? Okay, like what are we actually doing? And what I want to show you guys, something very, very interesting. Okay, so when we back out of this game, we load back into the lobby. What I want to show you guys is all of the new current discovery tabs and systems and algorithms in places to ensure you guys actually get money and players inside of your game. So if you guys look here and we actually go to the rewards here, what you're going to see is a whole bunch of discovery changes. If you guys actually search up new and updated, they actually just posted a new update inside of their worlds for Fortnite maps, where essentially there's now more chances for you guys to actually get discovery. Because if you guys look here, we have new and engaging, recently played, people love, popular, fan favorites, variety, combat, build fighting, new updates, horror, tycoon, death run. You guys get it. You guys know I'm yapping, yada, yada, yada. But how is this actually happening? Why is Fortnite doing this? Well, we already know that they're trying to expand their metaverse and ecosystem inside of Fortnite. Like if we go to this game here, RASF, and we actually go into Fortnite GG, this game has actually made over $12 million. I'm not kidding. Like, it's actually insane how much people are actually making. So we're going to load up inside of this game and show you guys the core fundamental steps and reasonings on why this game's actually popular. We're going to load into it right now and show you guys. Because if you guys look here, we go to Fortnite GG and we search up RASF and we go to the game. Look how much money it's already made. $3.6 million in just a few months. Like, I'm not kidding, guys. Like, this is the easiest way to get rich quick. And you guys need to be joining the Discord and the Patreon inside of the link in the description to reinvest into yourself and have thousands and thousands of dollars coming into you passively with pre-made games. Okay, so we're inside of the RASF map. I want to show you guys exactly what actually makes it special. So as you guys can see, we are inside of the map. We have the map code at the bottom. We're not going to die from fall damage, but I want to show you guys exactly what actually makes this game popular. Okay, so as I'm building, I want to show you guys why this game's actually fun. So if we go here, obviously I have voice chat turned off so little kids can't annoy me. But if we go here, the general premise of this actual game is to fight and battle opponents. And if you guys look at how many people can actually play this game at once, around 30 different people can play this game at once, which is what's going to make this game super stimulating, fun, and engaging to the actual viewers playing this game. And that is why we have a llama here as well. We have a nice little loot llama that people can actually select and grab to actually benefit both players, because when you have the llama, you're going to have better loot, which is going to have people race to the actual finish line to actually get it. Obviously, we have a whole bunch of Russian letters at the top in the middle of the screen. So $3.6 million for this game, guys. Keep that in mind, okay? Because throughout this video, you're going to see why that's super important and how you guys can replicate the same success, because we're going to go into marketing and promotion very, very soon here. As we just got killed, let me show you guys exactly what you need to do to market and promote your games and get your name out there. Let's do it. Let me show you guys how to actually market your game with strategic input. Okay, so I want to show you guys a case study of people that I've helped with this industry. So let's go to XMBFN. I'm going to give you guys a marketing game and strategy that you guys can use to show you guys to make more money. Okay, so if you guys look here, we have these videos here, thousands and thousands of views. Let me show you the strategy behind this particular client who made $150,000 at 15. I want to show you guys what he's actually posting. So he makes a 1v1 map, right? And this strategy, like I said, guys, can apply to all of you guys. And of course, guys, welcome to the beta Inner Circle Fort Mafia 2.0 Inner Circle beta waitlist launch, the last installment for the grand reveal. Okay, so these types of content, what I want to show you guys is that this strategy can be applied to everyone. So what he's doing is adding meme sound effects, which I'm going to mute for copyright, of course. But if we actually look here, this is what you guys want to be doing, okay? This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing for this particular person. And the reason why is because a lot of kids play Fortnite. They're young. So why not include and incorporate young sound effects, like goofy sound effects, fucking divvy sound effect, like stupid things to make people laugh and have some sort of emotion towards what they're watching, which will make them engage more. Does that make sense? Because think of it like this, guys. Look how far you've come. You made it to the last video in the free content inside of Fort Mafia, which has led you to the 24th date of February, where everything is a game changer for you. Okay? Great. So, like I said, you need to be making games. You need to be making thumbnails, verse codes, strategies, promotions, UEFN, everything. It needs to be tailored around your game. Everything has to be down to a T. Even the thumbnails, even everything. Everything, guys, everything, okay? This is what I want you guys to do. So when you guys are actually marketing your games, the strategy that I can give you guys is to come up with 5 key elements of things. Like I said in the beginning, it all wraps around things you like to do. What did you do when you when you were playing video games? When you're playing games, when you're doing anything that's exciting for you, why is it exciting? Why is it exciting? What feelings do you have? You can literally go onto Google and search up quotation marks, exciting, emojis. And then with exciting emojis, you can go into ChatGPT and ask, what are some songs that make people excited? And use those types of songs to invoke and provoke emotion inside of the people watching your content to force them to play your game. Do you guys, it's all psychological. I promise you that. Everything in life is psychological. It's feeling and perception based. Okay? Awesome. This has been the best 8 days of your life. I hope you've learned billions of dollars of generational wealth information. Seriously, guys, this has been the best 8 days of your entire life. I promise you. And I love you guys at all. I love you guys a lot. Okay? So go ahead and sign up for the Fort Mafia 2.0 Inner Circle, where I'm going to mentor and coach you and get you started A to Z, all and above, to show you guys how to actually make money online making Fortnite maps. You get free Versify. You get verse code templates, thousands and thousands of games that you can literally just repost at the palm of your fingertips and make millions and millions of dollars. So if you guys look here, let's go to the Google Drive. If you guys search up massive games, this is exactly what you're going to get access to. 30 gigabytes worth of free games that you guys can literally just repost and make thousands of dollars every single month at the palm of your fingertips as a bonus for signing up today. And this offer is never going to be available ever again. You have 1 week to sign up, 1 week to purchase. Let's get going. Okay? I love you guys all so much. It's been your boy Davy Davis. Enjoy the Fort Mafia Inner Circle free content. You guys can always rewatch it whenever you want. Sign up today, boys. I fucking love you guys. I'm going to make you guys rich. I made everyone rich. And I'm here to help you too, okay? I love you guys. See you guys soon. Mwah. Love you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I cannot thank you guys enough for being here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. And of course, guys, go get Versify, go get my software, go get all of the companies that I'm building for you guys in the Fortnite landscape UEFN ecosystem to further provide value for you guys. It's seriously been your boy Davy Davis. Click the video on your screen. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. I love you guys, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.